Well, I'm not quite sure what to expect here, but I've got it oiled and the flames are lit and it's up on a little block so it'll run, and I put boiling water into it already, so it shouldn't be too long. I can feel a little bit of encouragement there. I also set the front wheels at so they're turning to the right, so if I can possibly get it down on the floor, I'll have it do some circles. Put a new gasket on it. It's not holding very well, I don't think, on the pressure valve. Now I can see it's leaking pretty good. There she goes. There she goes. Holy moly. Kind of spitting at me a little bit here. Okay, well let me